asparagus sizzling. Some steak. All right, you got some olive oil on that thing. Rub it down, okay? Rub it down. All right, everywhere. You know, gotta get the entire steak, all angles. Got some garlic. Chop that baby up. You know what I'm saying? Add it to the asparagus. Some salt, some pepper. Season that baby all around. I'm talking about like all around, okay? And now you grab a little bit of that garlic, just a little bit on that steak, you know what I'm saying? Just get a little, spray down some canola oil, high heat, add the olive oil, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, there you go, okay? Boom, add a little bit of butter to that thing, okay? Some more garlic, let that thing sizzle. Look at that. You got it on high heat, because what happens is you're gonna want to let that steak caramelize. You feel me? Now you gotta listen to that baby sizzle. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I love that. Okay. Now once you've gotten to it caramelized on the other side, then that's when you're gonna drop the heat so it can cook through, right? Yeah, I'm no professional, so I cut into my steak, make sure that it's actually cooked the way I want it to be cooked. You know what I'm saying? So never be too sure. But dang, that thing look good.
She's speechless. She's speechless.
You're right, how is it?
The best food I've ever had.
You said that last time.
When you eat it. I mean when you made it.
Okay.
I mean it's one of the best foods that you ever made.
Okay.
There we go.